In this video, I'll be showing you how to clone a project from GitHub to VS Code. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the very first thing that you want to do is go to your browser of choice, type in git download. Then you want to go to the very first link that shows up and you just want to download this software, which is just called Git. So I'm going to do it on Windows. Then you just got to download Windows and run the installer. Now, once you've downloaded it and it's installed, all you want to do is go to another tab and just type in GitHub, then just open it up. And then what you want to do is just go to the repository that you want to copy, then just open it up. And then from the very top, you're going to see the URL. Just go ahead and copy that URL. Then what you want to do is just minimize this and then just make a new folder. So I'm going to make this like GitHub test right here. Then what you want to do is open up this folder. Now what you want to do from here is literally just go to the very top where you have like the pathway, type in CMD, which is command, then just press enter. Now from here, all you want to type in is code and then a space bar and then dot and then press enter. Now it's going to be opening up in VS Code. Then just press trust all authors. Then yes, I trust the author. Now, all you have to do from this point is press these three little dots over here, then press terminal, then press new terminal right here. Now, once you've opened up the terminal, all you got to do is press git and then space and then clone space again, and then just copy and paste the URL that you had, then just press enter. And as you can see, it's cloning it. It's all done. And then you're going to see 100% and then done right here. Obviously, if you have a bigger project and a bigger GitHub file, it might take a bit longer, but it's that simple. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.